Oh my.
What happened?
She kept off with it.
What's up, everybody? We are back. Taking little man to the beach real quick for a nice little jump in the water, a nice little run on the beach. Then we're gonna head to town, meet up with my mom and my auntie them, and then we're gonna go on a booze cruise. So should be super fun. My mom and them got a hotel room. We might not stay, we might, I don't know, depends on how much juice we have. If we had a little bit too much sodas, you know what I mean. But yeah, well, let's go to the beach, yeah? Raj, we're on. See you guys at the beach. Go. There you go. Dog is crazy. Here, bud. Here. Eddie? Eddie? Big mama. Big mama. Oh. Yeah. Alright, we're here right now, swimming, cruising. Oh, that's a sick shot. Got under the boat sessions? That's cool.
Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you.
No, check
I mean, not underwater. A fucking tunnel.
She said it's like an underwater
Like a
pool.
cave.
Hurry up, we're gonna get smoked by the fucking time. Okay, we're out of here. You look cute.
Thank you.
Kitty. Baby, going.
What you are? You're the star of the show. I dropped your cherry. I'm sorry.
My kind here, bye bye. Oh my fucking goodness, dog. She just jumped. This sucker.
Swim back.
What happened? She jumped off with it!
Oh, there's sharks over here. Oh, no, I can't believe you just fucking jumped off.
Ready, set, go.
That is hard. The fuck is doing?
Whew. Crazy night, or crazy day yesterday. Ended up just going home, going to sleep. So tomorrow we're gonna wake up, go to West Side, some snorkeling, maybe dive for some shells. So let's go. I'll see you guys in the morning. Shoots.
Hey, Joe. I got that perfectly on camera. She was like, I drunk and I was filming.
No cursing on YouTube.
You can bleep it out. Bleep your bleep hole.
We're on the West Side fishing right now. No, but we're gonna go check out the water, see if there's any fish. Beautiful West Side. Yeah, so we're. I got brain dead right there for a second. I was like, too much sodas.
Everyone's Shaka. I'm gonna drink all of it.
Apparently, that was a car that was in a car engine. So now we're just cruising back. Keone's about to jump off the ground here. I'm about to get this shot right now. I wasn't ready. I wasn't. 2, 1, going. Yeah, you. Woo! He just ball slap one on, huh? I got straight. And I have a broken back. Oh, one more time, Clark Little, Clark Little. I was trying to do Clark Little kind. Oh. Yeah, he hates the water. Good boy. He's like, get me the fuck out.